Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Thank you so much for hopping on and joining us again, and thank you to 310 Nutrition for sponsoring this video. Make sure you check out the link below to get your offer today. Today we're going to be making a lemon teriyaki salmon with cauliflower rice. So I'm super excited to have a few special guests, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
I've been using 310 for about a month now, and it's helped me lose over 15 pounds. And I like that it's really tasty and the fact that it's super easy in the morning. So with football season, obviously I need to bulk up for the position I play, and then afterwards I really like to slim down and get back to a more comfortable weight, and 310 has helped me do that.
Now I'm a little more bougie than Isaiah. I like to mix it up some. You can go to 310nutrition.com/recipes, and they've got all kinds of variations to your 310. Of course, I haven't lost 15 pounds either. I've lost 6, but that's in about a week and a half. So I'm pretty happy with that.
That's awesome. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm glad you guys like it like I did.
Yeah, well, and it's just all about like little changes, I feel like, you know?
Yeah.
Like you want to make those small changes and just make them regularly. So later on we're going to do a smart dinner, something tasty and healthy. Priscilla's going to have me cook for you guys something I think you'll enjoy. Hey guys, I know you were used to seeing a much prettier face than this, but this is what you're getting. I wanted to show you one of my favorite healthy meals. It's healthier than most, we'll put it that way. There are a few things that we throw in there, like some butter and some teriyaki sauce that are a little less healthy. But if you use just a little bit of, not too much of it, then it's not going to be too bad. So what we're going to be making is a super easy teriyaki salmon, and then we're going to do some rice veggies. This is cauliflower rice that we're going to be making. It's a lemon pepper cauliflower rice. Super good. And we have some of our lemons from our very own lemon tree. Isn't that awesome? Okay, let's start with our lemon pepper cauliflower rice. You can use a tablespoon of butter. You're going to put in the whole bag of the cauliflower rice, a tablespoon of your lemon juice, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon of the black pepper. Now, if you're going for keto, then this teriyaki glaze is going to be a little high on the net carbs. It'll be about 10 net carbs per serving, which is about a tablespoon. So, be a little high. We're not going to use a few tablespoons of that, because we just want to get that flavor in there. So I want the salt and the pepper and the lemon to do most of the talking when it comes to flavor on this fish. All right, drop a little butter in this pan too. And some lemons. Check on our rice. Now this cauliflower doesn't really have to cook. It's more warming it than anything. I mean, it's cauliflower. I guess it kind of cooks. And then salt and pepper. Each fillet just to taste. This is gonna be great to accompany those 310 shakes you had. You know, it's nothing worse than like trying to do like a diet thing or a lifestyle change, whatever, and just have that ruined because of a bad decision at dinner. You know, we'll just order pizza. I speak from experience on that one. I don't know how many times I've tried to do better just to ruin it at the end of the day. Okay, let that go. All right, guys, I think we're done. Let's get this plated up and see what the family thinks. My official taste testers, huh? Huge thanks again to 310 Nutrition for sponsoring this video. And to find out more, check out the link down below. I hope the family likes this because it looks super healthy and fancy, doesn't it? I think I did a good job. The presentation is at least good. Hopefully it tastes good.
Let's fit, sweetheart.
Honest opinion.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
Good.
it's really good.
I haven't made it like this before. What do you think of the cauliflower rice?
It's good.
Right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm shocked.
Okay. Take a break. Good? Do you like it?
Hey, is it good?
Yeah, that means yes.
Dude.
Good.